Hey there everyone! Welcome to Section 1 of our email marketing video training series, Email Marketing Basics. We are excited to let you know that we've just set up the most complete and up-to-date email marketing resource that you'll find in a condensed collection of high-definition, real-time training videos, and that we're getting started now. Furthermore, we are proud about giving you the easiest way to learn email marketing inside and out. And we are also grateful that you have made the decision of learning our way, which is the right way, yet easy way. From tackling the basic steps all the way to applying expert-level strategies, this video training is designed to give you an almost unfair advantage from start to finish. And in this first section of our training, the Email Marketing Basics section, you'll be able to learn what is email all about. What is email marketing? How can email marketing help your business? Shocking email marketing facts to consider. So let's begin with the first video in the training, where we are going to discuss the basic foundation of this training. What is email all about? Technology has taken such incredible leaps of advancements that it is easy to forget how it was not so many years ago. Even with the advent of smartphones, laptops, and wireless internet, we all tend to forget that the internet was designed to give us a different means of communication. Because when the internet was born, it was basically only used to send brief electronic messages between work colleagues in an enclosed facility. But you get the idea. Before that was possible, people who were apart by circumstances and distance could communicate with each other with written correspondence sent through postal offices. But physical mail has its obvious limitations. So one of the first things devised by internet pioneers was electronic mail, or email for short. So, what is email and how does it work? Email is simply written communication exchanged by two or more users across a digital network. More specifically, it is an electronic message that can contain text, images, and other types of attachments such as documents, and which is sent through a connected network to a person or a group of people. Email works by using a program that manages the data in a message and saves it to a server, from where the messages are sent and received as well. Most people nowadays, though, use online email services such as Outlook and Gmail, which allows them to design and send their emails the easiest way possible, without having to worry about server maintenance and other technically complicated stuff. What are the parts of an email? The address. An email address is the equivalent of the physical address where mail is sent. It starts with a username, which is followed by the @ symbol, which works as a divider between the username and the domain name, which goes at the end of the address. The to field. This is where the recipient address goes. The from field. This is where the sender address goes. The message body. This is where the actual message is written, and where the images and attachments are added. What are the advantages of email? It's free. It's instant no matter the distance. It can include text, images, video, music, links, and documents. It's environmentally friendly. Did you know the first email was sent in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson to himself as a test email? By 1996, more electronic than postal mail was being sent. Now that you have a better understanding of what email actually is, let's take a look at our topic at hand in the following video. See you there. What is email marketing? Hey there everyone! If you are watching this video, it is because you are either an online marketer or are already familiar with the online marketing world to an extent. What's more, we can already tell you that you know that you can grow your business online if you put in the effort. And part of that effort is learning as much as you can before you leap into action. Unlike what the majority of people believe, online marketing is not a buzzword used to describe a passing get-rich-quick craze. It is a legitimate branch of marketing that uses online means to build brand awareness with the ultimate goal of turning a new business into a profitable venture. And it so happens that one of the most efficient ways to market to an online audience is through email. It is so efficient, in fact, that it has become its own online marketing method, and it has been aptly dubbed email marketing since the earlier days of the internet. So, just as the title implies, Email marketing is the use of email to promote a business, a product, a service, and anything in between. It can be understood in simpler terms as the online equivalent of direct mail, which is how companies contact people directly to promote their stuff. Just that instead of using the postal service to get in touch with leads and potential clients, they use electronic mail. Now, there is a growing differentiation between how direct mail works and how email marketing works, thanks to the advent of content marketing. Whereas direct mail is used to send bulk business or advertising letters to people in a geographical segment, marketing emails are sent to people according to personalized targeting criteria that includes gender, locations, language, interests, professions, and so on. What this means is that contrary to direct mail, marketing emails are designed to develop a relationship with potential clients before they are used to convert potential clients into active customers. That is why the majority of direct mail is sent straight to the dumpster instead of being read. And that is also why most marketers never truly learn how to create successful email marketing campaigns, because they are trying to emulate direct mail. Why is email marketing better then? Email marketing is better than direct mail and almost double as effective as any other form of online marketing because it is an instant and more personal way of offering value to potential customers. And the simple reason why email marketing is so effective is because it allows marketers to include their products at the center of their email content. That is, that they can send informative emails that provide value to the customers and use them to promote their products or services in a subtle but very effective way. What most marketers find tough to master is how to craft and send personalized marketing emails that don't end up in the spam folder. And in this video training, we are going to teach you all about it. So, follow us to our next video so we can tell you what are the most relevant benefits of using email marketing to grow your business. Tune in. How can email marketing help your business? If there is one thing that we like to celebrate is when people achieve success with our training. And by success, we don't mean helping you to simply reach a couple hundred new leads whom to sell to, but leading you to actually grow your business as fast as possible. That is why in this video, we are going to show you how email marketing can help you take your business to new heights. Email has higher reach than most other channels. You may not think of people's email addresses as a valuable marketing channel, but that might be because you might be so used to email that you take it for granted. Yet you have to look at the numbers to understand why email is still considered to be one of the most powerful online marketing channels available to date. Let's put it this way. There are over 1 billion active Facebook users and over 250 million Twitter users. Those are impressive numbers for sure, but they pale in comparison to the more than 4 billion active worldwide email accounts. And those numbers become more relevant when you examine the behavior associated with them. You need an email address for basically anything online. Do you want to sign up to Facebook or any other social media network? You need an email account. Do you want to buy on Amazon or eBay or on any run-of-the-mill e-commerce site? You need an email address. That means that any company offering a product or service or piece of content that you want to have access to can easily reach out to you once you give them your email address. Marketing emails truly deliver your message. Having an email lead is way better than having a social media follower for a simple reason. 90% of emails get delivered to the intended recipients, while only 2% of organic posts are seen by your social media followers. You also have to consider that in most cases, when people opt into your email lists, it means that they want to receive timely updates from you. Marketing emails drive more conversions. The ultimate goal of a marketing campaign is to drive conversions. You might want to drive sales, traffic to your website, or referral signups, but you want to drive results, and there might not be a better channel than email to that end. Once again, the truth is in the numbers. The average click-through rate of any given email campaign is 3% to 5%. Whereas the average click-through rate of social media campaigns is only around 0.5% or so. Even more impressive is the fact that over 4% of visitors to your site that click through email will buy something there. as opposed to only 2.5% of search engine visitors and a mere 0.59% of social media visitors. Email is cost-effective. Email marketing is the cheapest form of online marketing. Period. Check this out, for instance. You'll get an average of 3,800% return on investment for every $1 that you spend on your email marketing campaigns. On a very basic level, it means that you'll earn $38 for every dollar you invest. Email marketing is a longer-term strategy. Email has been around ever since the internet was invented, and it is not going to go away anytime soon. On the other hand, marketing channels such as social media platforms and video sharing sites are prone to irrelevancy, thanks to the rapid shifts in technological development. This means that your email lists will keep on being a profitable resource long after Facebook or YouTube are replaced by the next big thing. Would you like to learn more awe-inspiring facts about email marketing? Then tune in to our following video.